Hello, this is a quick video on how to use our base 10 blocks with this Math Learning Center's Number Pieces apps. So when you click on your link, you come here. They have all the base 10 blocks on the side, as well as number lines. I like to look at the ones with colors, so the first thing I do is switch it to the colors. And now I see that the hundreds are red, the tens are green, and the ones are yellow. And why I like it this way is I needed to regroup. It is very fun to regroup with the colors. So if I click on the tens, I can go down here, it says break pieces, and I can break the tens into ones, and the color changes. So now if I click off of it, these are actually little ones, which are a lot of fun to click and drag and move where I need to move them. But if I wanted to put them back together, I'm like, oh no, I didn't do that right. I can actually circle my 10 ones, make a group of 10 ones, and put them back together. And I know I did it right because they turn green. So that's one of the fun things I could do. I could also click on it and rotate it if I need to, so I can move them where I need. I can drag more out, so I can make different groups. So if I was, let's trash. Let's clear our screen, which is the start over on the bottom. So if I had 201 and I want to divide it into 3 equal groups, I can take my pen, change the colors if I want, make a straight line or scribble, so I want just to make my circles, and I want to divide this into 3 groups. I only have 2 hundredths, so I can't divide the hundredths at all. I'm going to click off my pen. I'm going to click on 100, and I'm going to divide it into tens. And then I can put my tens into my circles. Oops, I don't have 3 this time. I still have this 100, so I'm going to divide this 100 back into tens. I get all my tens into circles. I always do them in groups of 3, so I have at least 3 left, so I can divide it again. I don't have 3 left, so I can't divide these again, so I need to break these into ones. Break this one into 1, and then move them in a group. I can move 3 at a time, so it's just a little bit faster. I have enough for another 3 at a time. You don't have to move them 3 at a time. You can move them 1 at a time if you want. But I moved them in groups of 3, and look, I have 3 left. And then I can know that 201 divided into 3 groups is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 67. So I can type it if I want. 201 divided by 3 is 67. And I can move my problem up there. I can make it bigger if I need to. And I can share it with my teacher. So I could save the image or share it as a link and copy the link and share it with my teacher. And that's how you use it. Bye.